Alright YouTube, I thought I'd do a video on the updates that happened today for the MacBook and MacBook Pro ranges. Well, there's been some interesting updates. It's really more of a speed bump than anything. But let's get stuck in and talk about what's happened. So, first of all, the MacBook range. This has now seen a speed bump. The basic model at $699 still is sorry, that's £699. Is 2.1 GHz Core 2 Duo, 1 gig of RAM, now with a 120 GB hard drive as opposed to the old 80 GB hard drive. But it still has the combo drive, which is actually a bit of a surprise. But anyway, moving on, the £829 model is 2.4 GHz Core 2 Duo, now with 2 GB of memory and a 160 gig hard drive. Now this is quite good because apart from the basic model, they've put 2 gigs of RAM in across the board now on the MacBook range. And the black MacBook is 2.4 GHz, 2 gigs of RAM, now has a 250 gig hard drive in it, and that's at £949. The MacBook Pro is now, the basic 15-inch model is 2.4 GHz Core 2 Duo, 200 gig hard drive, and it now has a 256 megabyte 8600M GT graphics card, which is up from 128. The £1,599 model is 2.5 GHz with a 15-inch screen, 250 gigabyte hard drive, and 512 megabyte NVIDIA GeForce 8600M GT. And the 17-inch version is pretty much along the same lines, also with the more powerful graphics, but with the 17-inch screen, and that is £1,799. It's good to see these updates. Certainly the updates to the MacBook were a bit of a surprise, but quite a welcome one. There is, however, one thing that has disappointed me slightly with the updates to both, and that is the fact that the Apple Remote, which used to become as standard in the box, is now an optional extra on all laptops from Apple. Well, I don't know about the MacBook Air, but it definitely is with the MacBook and MacBook Pro, which is a bit of a surprise. It's a bit disappointing that yesterday you could get it with the computer, and today you've got to pay extra for it. To be fair, it's not something I would have thought a lot of people would use with their laptops, but to me it's the one sort of little disappointment with the whole updates. But other than that, some pretty solid updates. Definitely now is very much an extremely good time to look at investing in an Apple computer, and the new MacBook updates look great. Alright, well that's it for now. I will be back with another video soon. Alright, thanks.